Here's another spicy story from Chicago's Goofy Gang. Let's get it.
The gay community started accusing African American community of being homophobic for not supporting him. What they didn't understand is that we were supporting him with our silence, because we understood that this nigga was clearly lying.
Former Cook County State's Attorney, Kim Foxx, is no longer authorized to practice law because she failed to provide proof of completing mandatory continuing education requirements, according to the Illinois Attorney Registration and Disciplinary Commission. Because of this, the Cartoon News Network crowns Kim Foxx queen for a day of Goofy Gang, Chicago's most dangerous street organization. Foxx is unauthorized to practice law as the attorney has not demonstrated required MCLE compliance, according to the former top prosecutor's entry on the ARDC website. MCLE stands for Minimum Continuing Legal Education. This means she couldn't be bothered to spend a little more than an hour a month watching videos that her own office provided, said a veteran attorney and former assistant state's attorney. According to the Commission's website, attorneys whose last names begin with F must report continuing education credits by June 30th in even-numbered years. A failure to complete or report credits results in an extension until November 30th, the site says. Eileen O'Neill Burke was elected as the new state's attorney for Cook County in November. On December 1st, all attorneys who lack an online transcript reflecting compliance with that reporting period's requirements are removed from the master roll of attorneys for MCLE noncompliance, according to the Minimum Continuing Legal Education Board website. Foxx's term as Cook County State's Attorney ended at the end of the day on December 1, 2024. It is unclear if a non-compliant attorney is allowed to practice on December 1st. However, the Illinois Constitution requires every elected state's attorney to be a licensed attorney at law of this state. Burke was not sworn in until December 2nd. Foxx was certainly told by the MCLE board and ARDC that her law license would lapse on December 1st, but she still allowed prosecutors to file pleadings in court under her name on December 1st, the veteran lawyer said. According to an ARDC representative, an attorney who wants to regain authorization after allowing their continuing education requirements to lapse must earn the required education credits or hold a valid exemption, report their compliance or exemption to the MCLE board, and pay a reinstatement fee. After that, MCLE verifies the lawyer's information and informs the ARDC. Barring any other invalidating circumstances, the attorney is returned to the master roll within 3 to 5 business days. Obviously, Kim Foxx is best known for dropping disorderly conduct charges against Jussie Smollett in exchange for 15 hours of community service. This pissed everybody off, but at the end of the day, her goofy ass was right. Keep watching, and I'll tell you why.
Oh my goodness, is that him?
Do we have to go now? We have to
Right now, come on, hurry up, hurry up.
Aren't you the man from the Empire show?
That movie?
Yes? Got a problem?
Yeah. Why do you...
Doing around here?
Guys, come on, the accent. More white, more racist, hillbilly. KKK?
No, I would just like to say to Your Honor that I am not suicidal. That's what I would like to say.
Okay.
I am not suicidal. Okay? I am not suicidal. I am innocent, and I am not suicidal. If I did this, then it means that I stuck my fist in the fears of black Americans in this country for over 400 years and the fears of the LGBTQ community. Your Honor, I respect you and I respect the jury, but I did not do this.
Hey, nigger! Stop right there!
What are you doing in our town?
Aren't you that nigger from Empire?
Yes, I am. I'm the gay Tupac. What's good? What's good?
Nigger, what the hell you doing over here?
Get more aggressive, more aggressive.
Oh, shit! Wrap rope around his neck.
Around his neck.
Let me fight back a little bit. Let me fight back.
All right.
Oh.
Ow, that hurt, nigger. What the hell you do? Pour bleach on his nigger
Hold on,
ass.
I'm gonna get the water.
Get there, hurry up. Oh.
Hurry up.
Oh, please stop doing it, please.
This is MAGA country now, nigger.
You don't belong here. We don't like
your gay seagull ass over here. Don't you ever bring your ass around here, nigger boy, or we'll beat your ass again.
Please don't do it, please.
Hit him one last time to show we're serious.
Oh.
And run away so the cops don't see anything that we already did.
All right. Oh. Why? Why me?
Clearly lying. Black people never feel sorry for the police, but this time we even felt sorry for the police. Can you imagine if you was a police veteran taking this kid's police report? Okay, Mr. Smouillet, please tell me what happened. All right. You're 2 a.m. You left the house at 2 a.m. It's minus 16 degrees, and you were walking. You were walking. All right. And where were you going? Subway. Sandwiches? That's when the men approached you? Did you see them? Do you have any? Okay, what they have on? MAGA hats. MAGA hats on in Chicago.
Stop the cap.
Excuse me 1 second, Mr. Smouillet. Frank, come here for a second. Find out where Kanye West was last night.
I just told you.
Please, smash that like button and subscribe, if you've enjoyed our show so far, and want to see more videos from us. Juicy Smollett is definitely a goofy, but he was charged with disorderly conduct. People don't usually go to jail for filing a false police report, but they are required to plead guilty and admit wrongdoing. Kim Fox fucked up when she dropped the disorderly conduct charge in exchange for community service for pleading no contest, instead of making him plead guilty to avoid jail time, like everybody else. It was a high-profile case, and she should have known better. After the plea deal was announced, there was public backlash. Fox recused herself from the case, and a special prosecutor was appointed, but according to the Illinois Supreme Court, it was already too late. The court overturned the conviction and jail sentence secured by the special prosecutor based on double jeopardy, because the state agreed to a plea deal, and then brought him to trial on the same charge. No one thinks that the streets of Chicago would be safer with Juicy Smollett behind bars for disorderly conduct, but him and Kim Fox are guilty of a far more serious crime, embarrassing black people.